Hello guys, so today I'll be sharing with you one of our simple, easy, affordable, and healthy recipe that you can cook at home anytime. Please watch. So we will be needing pancit canton. We got this from SM. And we also need onions, garlic, carrots, cabbage, and a mushroom, but you can use pork meat or chicken. And also we will be needing vinegar, soy sauce, and salt to taste. First, kailangan natin hinitin yung pan, and once na mainit na siya, we can put the oil. We have to saute garlic. And then, onion. And if both are already golden brown, we can add up our next ingredient. So I have here mushroom. So we normally use mushroom as an alternative to meat. But for you guys, you can either use pork meat or chicken if you want. And then cover it. And once it's done, we can add up the vegetables. So I'll be putting carrots. Also guys, aside from carrots and cabbage, you can also add other vegetables that you want. And then, I'll be putting salt. So you can also put magic syrup or ginisa mix. And I'll be putting ground black pepper. And then haluin lang natin. And add cabbage. So for this one guys, don't overcook the vegetables. Me personally, I want especially the cabbage na medyo half cook lang. Para pag kinain mo siya, medyo crispy siya. And then, it's done. So we just have to put it on separate plate. And on the same pan guys, just put 2 cups of water. And I'll be adding up 2 spoons of soy sauce. So as an alternative to soy sauce, you can either use nor pork cubes or nor chicken cubes. And then just let it boil. And as you can see, it's already boiling, so we can add now the noodles. And for this one, I will be using the whole pack of pancit canton. And you can use this technique guys para maluto din yung nasa ibabaw. Then, konting halo pa. After this, we have to cover it para maluto yung noodles. Also guys, don't overcook the noodles kasi hindi siya masarap kapag ka-overcook. And then, haluin lang ulit natin. And it's almost ready, so we can add now the vegetables that we cook. So huwag niyo ubusin guys ilagay because you can also use the other vegetables later on for the toppings. And konting halo lang. And for this one, I'll be putting 2 spoons of vinegar kasi mas prefer ko yung medyo may asim. But if you don't want that, that's okay as well. And cover it for a few more minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. So we have already our pancit canton ready. Guys, I have 2 boiled eggs, pero para dun sa dalawang bata to. But if you want boiled eggs in your pancit canton, then you can have 1. So here guys is our finished product. So as you can see, I separated the eggs kasi para to dun sa dalawang bata. But yeah, this is our simple and easy, healthy, affordable pancit canton. Hope you like it, guys. Please don't forget to leave a comment, guys, like this video, and subscribe. Thank you!